everyone, my name is Fenny. I'm from Xinjiang Handphone Trading Company. We work for shoes business for more than 20 years old, so we have very good experience for the shoes. So we do many kinds of ladies fashion shoes, ladies sandals, and jelly shoes. Now I want to introduce our wholesale styles for you. Look, the upper material is memory foam with here have the decoration diamonds for the upper, and this also with the diamonds, so it very shiny. When we wear it, very shiny, very beautiful. We have the different colors. We have the green colors and black colors, and have the light green colors. So we can make any color of your want. Also can make your logo here. Now I want to introduce other designs for you. Upper PVC with the diamond. Also here we know the diamond, but if you like with diamond, we can make your want. So different upper design, different also designs. Just make of your want. Here also with the think also, and the upper we can make the mixed colors with diamonds. You can see. So look, we can make OEM, can make the upper of your one, also of your one, and the upper with different materials. Look, this also the memory foam, so it's very popular materials now and the popular designs now. So if you have any inquiries, please feel free to contact with me. Thank you. Bye bye.